We're here with Len Strickler of LSF Capital. Len, when do you consider estate planning for the families who come into your office? Is it about a dollar amount? Do you need to have a certain amount of millions to do estate planning?
Well, it's interesting because people associate that as estate planning, oh, this is, a living will or a living trust or whatever, you got to have a lot of money. Well, that's not the case. The thing is, if you have any assets at all, you have a home, you have some, you want to leave that to your children, right? Then you need to have a good estate planning, a plan in place, okay? Because here's the thing, if you look at a gap, right, like here like a ditch, here you are over here on this side, here's your kids over here on this side with money, and you've got to bridge that gap, right? Now let me ask you this, do you want some judge, right, or somebody that is appointed by the court to tell your family what to do with the money that you had? Folks, you got to have it. Right? I believe they have to have an estate plan and do it, early on.
Because by having the tools of an estate plan, whether it is a trust, if you need one or not, it can be less expensive to actually put together a trust and leave your assets the way you want to, as opposed to going through as you were saying, the probate process. Why is that? I mean, how many people when they come into your office don't even have a simple will?
A lot. I'll tell you, really. And so that's something, we have a partnership with my partner, Art, we call him the financial master chef. We have a partnership he has for over 20 some years with a trust attorney, right? So, we're not obviously attorneys or that kind of thing, but we do have alliances and partnerships, and we would bring her in to help anyone. But I think you got to do it, you got to consider it.
All right, thank you very much. If you're wondering if you should do estate planning, just ask yourself this. Do you have a family? Do you have assets that you want to leave to anyone? Then you should consider estate planning. It's very simple for you. You can click on the link below, set up an appointment with LSF Capital, Len Strickler, and his entire team right here in Florida.